My name is Emily Morris, and I am a digital learning specialist with CFBISD. And today we're going to look at a Google tip using the Explore tool when completing research. This can be a really great tool for students as they do research projects, research papers, and more. So let's go ahead and get started. The Explore tool is available in Google Docs and Google Slides. You're going to hit the tool function at the top and then hit this Explore. You'll notice there's also a keyboard shortcut. It's going to open a sidebar, and this is where you can search. So I will put in my search terms. You'll notice it'll search the web. It'll give you image results. It will also search your drive. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to pick a document that I want to read. And maybe I want to take some text and insert it in my research paper. So the next thing that I can do, making sure my cursor is at the end of this sentence, I'll go back over here to the site that I use, and you'll notice the quotation button. That quotation button will insert a citation as a footnote, which is pretty cool. You can also search images. These are all open source images. And so if I click on an image, I'll be able to see it bigger. I can click the insert button. I can also hit the plus button to insert the image. And when I insert the image like that, it will also include a citation with the image, a link to the source, which is pretty cool. So I hope you can find use for the Explore tool in your class. That's all we've got today. Check back later for more Google tips and tricks.